Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I share with you my recipe on immune boosting pepper soup recipe with unripe plantain. Trust me guys, you will love to learn. I learned this from my mom back in the days. My mom would make some unripe plantain with their skin, yam with their skin. Let's get right into the video. Here I've gone ahead to wash my unripe plantain and I'll cut it into some pieces. Cook it with the skin because of the health benefits. It is very healthy and very nutritious. Cooking unripe plantain with the skin helps to promote healthy heart. Also very good for weight management. Treats anemia. Beneficiary for brain health and marrow. It helps stronger bones and tooth. It also helps to manage diabetes and so on. So guys, I've gone ahead to wash my goat meat nicely. Add it to the pot. I'm using goat meat and gizzard, turkey gizzard for this pepper soup recipe. Unripe plantain pepper soup will boost your immune system and is very high in vitamin A. It also helps to fight constipation. I added Eden because this is very healthy for your system also, especially for women believing God for the fruit of the womb. It also helps cancer condition, helps to heal your wounds very quickly. Yeah. Okay guys, so I've gone ahead to cook my plantain with the skin and I'm just going to be adding it into the pot. I actually allowed it to cool down before I started adding it to the pot. Boiling plantain with the skin is nutritious and very healthy. Boiling your yam with the skin is also nutritious and very healthy. It has a lot of health benefits. This is the way I decided to go about it. It's exactly how my mother used to do it. Yes, so I'm going to add all the plantain in and then I'll start adding other things. Just keep adding your plantain until you have everything in like so. This is the way I'm going about it. Very delicious. You can now go in with your fresh peppers and all whatnot. Next, I'm going to go in with my onion. Add it in like so. Next, I have all of my peppers. I have lemon here. I have red onion, garlic, ginger, turmeric, some red bell peppers, and all those good stuff. So I'm going to blend all of this and add it to this. Do you like to make your pepper soup blend very smooth? For me, I don't like it too smooth. I just like it a little crushed. Now, I'm going to add all my blended stuffs. I like to see my green peppers, my red peppers, onion, garlic, ginger, and all of those beauties in my food. Go in with your pepper soup seasoning. This pepper soup spice is the best, all the way from Nigeria. God bless my sister. Go in with some crayfish. I'm going to go in with some nut seasoning. Go in with any seasoning of your choice. I'm going to go in with my sea salt, a little bit. Go in with this water from my blender. Add enough water, just enough. Adding water. Remember, this is pepper soup. I'm going to stir it up, guys. This is a very healthy recipe, and especially with the unripe plantain. My husband and his friends will love it. This suyayak is very healthy. Google these things. You will love it. This is a lot of pepper soup. My husband is stepping out to go and be with his friends and he asked me to make this. In this country, in America, this is a season where you have to be making pepper soup like almost every other week because it's very cold here and you must guide yourself with all of these herbs for health's sake. Okay? It tastes delicious and it has accurate pepper, because some people don't eat pepper, so I just made sure it's not too much pepper. You can choose to add stockfish, you can choose not to. So I'm going to add this to stockfish. So guys, our pepper soup is cooking nicely. Plantain pepper soup. Isn't this gorgeous? If you have smoked fish, go ahead and add it. So here I have some smoked fish. I'm going to go ahead and add. Trust me, if you make this recipe for your husband, if not twins you want, you go get twins sharply. Make this for your hobby and just begin to enjoy him. I'm going to add the fish. I'm going to stir it together. I love to make things like this for my husband. And I love him more when he asks me to make those things I make for him and his friends. It makes me feel good. I don't know about you. Tell me what you feel like when your husband say, sweetheart, could you just make me pepper soup or whatever is his favorite. This is my husband's favorite. If you check my channel, you'll see a lot of pepper soup recipes. That's because it's like a to-go for us in this house. Like, we can't do without pepper soup. You know, we are in abroad now, and you know how the weather here is. So there's always pepper soup in my house. No matter what I cook, I will have to make pepper soup by the side for my husband and just put in the fridge. So anytime he feels like he can just go ahead and enjoy it. So the next thing we're going to add here is the vegetables. Stay tuned and enjoy this video. Please give me a thumbs up. If you have watched till this time, you haven't subscribed, please now help me subscribe, and God will bless you mightily. Support my ministry now. Biko no, oh Biko, please. So enjoy this video. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Guys, look at this pepper soup. At this point, you can go in with your vegetables. Go in with my vegetables. Here I have scent leaf. You can go ahead and add uziza leaf, scent leaf, utazi leaf. Yeah, this is what you can use for this pepper soup recipe. Okay, trust me, your hubby will really love it. My husband and his friends enjoyed this, and I was very glad that they did. So here we're going to start dishing. Look at that deliciousness. Do you want to try this? Please feel free to try this. I have a lot of pepper soup recipes, and you will find all the items used for this pepper soup in the description. Okay, so go ahead and do this. Look at that deliciousness. Look at how delicious it's looking. Oh my goodness. I'm transferring it into the pot where my husband will be carrying it to his friends so that they can have fun, you know, discuss like men will always want to be together, discuss and enjoy themselves. Yeah, so I had to transfer it to the pot, and look at that. Look at how beautiful. Look at that. Gucci's team, I'm so grateful. To my new subscribers, thank you. If you have watched to this extent, I appreciate you all so much. My oldies, thank you. God bless you. Ciao, ciao.